Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix can't be displayed in Telegram. So can't be displayed is basically a feature which does not allow you to see sensitive content or any kind of sensitive content or restricted content. So how you can access to sensitive content or how you can bypass can't be displayed error in the Telegram. You can fix this. I'm gonna tell you. Basically, in my area, Telegram is not currently available, but I am using it from some other sources. But you guys have to log into Telegram on your browser. But here I'm gonna tell you with via app, but you have to must log in via browser. So after opening up your browser, you guys have to search for telegram.org and you guys have to log in from your browser. So after logging in with your browser, so you guys have to tap on the top left corner of options button in the browser of Telegram. So after tapping on options, you guys have to tap on settings. So in the settings, you guys have to tap on privacy and security. And here is the most important things. You guys can see in the Telegram app, there is no any option which is sensitive content option. But in your browser, you guys will be able to see the option which is show sensitive content. You guys have to check the mark of that option. So after checking the mark, you guys can bypass can't be displayed in Telegram. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.